have a bite.
What is that?
That's a prawn.
Mommy, do I need medicine? There's a car right there. Come on.
The cab is here.
Mommy,
Hmm? Yeah.
Appreciate that, yeah. Have a nice day.
It's alright. Look at that candy. Teeth. That's mine.
So,
I'm-
I should have took her the other day.
Very bad, very bad, very bad, very bad. So they canceled the movie, but they didn't let me know.
Sold enough tickets to show.
But we kept the small popcorn. Sad.
Put it there, and then push it, okay? There you go.
Woo! How we do it? Who's the winner? Maya 84, you 89. Oh, poor Asia. Asia! Where is she? Asia, you're the winner. Come check. Now, who's gonna get the surprise? Asia's gonna get the surprise. Look. You got 68. Yeah? Let's go, Asia's the like she really enjoyed that one, this ride. My turn. Woo! Aisha, you did it! Aisha, you did it yourself. Yeah. What? It's like she's gonna bang her head. Ah. Are you pizza or guys? Pizza or guys? Oh, there. Okay. So we decided to go pizza. Not Five Guys. Pizza. And I'll go to wasabi in a minute. So I want some wasabi. Okay, let's go. Eh? Please wait there, they said. You need to wait there. What is this?
What is that?
They doesn't look like king.
Can I smell that? What is that?
That's a prawn.
So prawn is like salmon. Would you like to try one?
No.
It's chili.
Hi, Mom, I want.
You say you wanna? Don't touch it. Don't touch it like that. Which one? That one? No, it's too much. I need a small one. This one maybe? We can try the small.
No, I see it.
That's all salmon. Maybe the small one. Look. This one? You wanna try this one?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's supposed to be. It's supposed to be cold down.
Go. Salud. I eat some wasabi now. Very nice. My favorite. Nice. Aisha, do you want to try this? It's a rice. Bite? Have a bite.
I want to feel. It's sticky.
Yes, it's like a candy. Try. Ah, yeah.
Maybe you could be inside.
Ah.
I don't know. I'm having the.
Nice. We have this one as well.
Wow. Is that for me?
Yeah, okay, I'll open
This
it.
all for me.
I don't know if you're gonna like it.
Huh?
Is take one and tell me if you like it or not,
Okay.
and have a bite. Nice, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, she took it. I don't think she likes it. Let me see. She said she likes it. So are you eating it? She likes it.
I'm gonna get.
Ah, this is gonna fly.
I'm gonna get. Okay, this
This
is
is a sushi. She says she really wanna try sushi, eh?
Only that sushi.
Okay.
Oh, I'm.
I'll try this. Oh, thank you for taking this. Ah, my camera is fine too. Okay. This is the sushi. Aisha wanna try sushi.
They're not giving fruit.
What? You nearly fell, Aisha, on the back. What? If I take everything out, there's nothing gonna left. So watch her. I'm gonna eat my sushi. Let's have try this. Oh my god. Smell very fishy. It smells like very fishy, but after that, it's really nice. Not everyone's favorite, eh? It's very windy. So आज चाहिँ हामी मुभी हेर्नु जाने भनेर गएको है के भएछ भने लास्ट टाइम मैले तपाईँहरूले मेरो भ्लग हेर्नु भएको छ भने मैले भनेको थिएँ मेरो मुभी मैले बुक गरेको अनि क्यान्सल गरिदिएछ अनि फेरि मनी रिटर्न गरिदिएको थियो एन्ड देन अगेन आई बुक इट अगेन होइन फेरि बुक गरेको मलाई इमेल के पनि आएन कि यसपालि अनि गएको त मकैसकै पनि किनिसक्यो पानी पनि किनिसक्यो सबै किनिसक्यो होइन यत्रो यत्रो कोकहरू किन्यो अनि त्यसपछि त भन्छ कि क्यान्सल भएको छ तिनीहरूलाई थाहा भएन भन्छ भने मलाई त माइ गड रिस पनि उठेको दुःख पनि लागेको बिकज आई वाज सो एक्साइटेड फर टुडे है तर के गर्नु केही छैन तर वी ह्याड लभली है अब त्यो मुभी चाहिँ अब हामी नेटफ्लिक्समा हेर्नु पर्ला पछि अब घर जान्ला